Let's learn how to flip and rotate a video in CapCut. If you don't know how to rotate or flip a video in CapCut, you don't have to struggle anymore. After watching this video, you'll know how to do it without looking up tutorials. The first thing you need to do is open the CapCut app on your phone. When you open CapCut, you'll be on the home page where the videos you've worked on in CapCut are located. On this page, you need to click on the blue New Project button. After clicking it, a page will open where you need to find the video you want to flip or rotate. Once you find it, click on it, and then a page will open where you need to click the blue Add button, which is located in the bottom right corner of the screen. After clicking this option, a page will open where you can edit the video. On this page, you need to click on the video at the bottom in the timeline. When you click on the video, some options will appear at the bottom, and you need to scroll these options to the left a bit. Once you scroll, you'll see the transform option, which you need to click on. After clicking, 3 options will appear. If you want to flip the video, click on the mirror option. If you want to rotate it, click on the rotate option and adjust it as you like. Once you're done, you can export the video by clicking the arrow in the top right corner of the screen. So, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.